In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to why use Traveljoy 2025 step by step. If you're a travel advisor or part of a small team, the right system can elevate your client experience and give you back valuable time. Traveljoy is designed to do exactly that, starting with your first impression. With branded, beautifully designed digital proposals, clear pricing and itineraries, a mobile-friendly client view, and built-in e-signatures and payments, your offers look polished and trustworthy. That high-end presentation builds confidence and leads to better close rates. Keep your branding consistent, highlight inclusions and exclusions clearly, and use concise itinerary summaries so clients immediately understand the value. Speed is the next advantage. Instead of manually sending every message, Traveljoy can automate proposal delivery, reminders, payment requests, and deposits, and even post-booking follow-ups. This reduces back and forth and keeps momentum without you having to babysit each task. Set up message templates with your tone, choose a sensible reminder schedule, and let the system handle the logistics so you can focus on selling and advising. A simple client experience drives conversions. Clients can view proposals on any device, compare options side by side, sign documents online, and pay deposits or the full balance directly from the proposal. That removes friction, shortens decision time, and eliminates lost in email moments. Add clear calls to action, keep sections scannable, and surface the key differences between options so choices feel easy. Automation extends beyond sales. Traveljoy includes automated reminders, client portals, booking pipelines, proposal templates, and CRM basics. Tasks that once took hours each week can be handled in minutes. Build a straightforward pipeline that mirrors your real process and reuse templates for common trip types. Over time, this consistency compounds into a major productivity gain for solo advisors and growing teams alike. Getting paid becomes smoother too, with online payments, deposits, payment plans, auto invoicing, and quick pay buttons. You reduce delays and keep cash flow predictable. Set due dates, enable automatic receipts, and ensure terms are clear in every proposal so expectations are aligned from the start. Since many clients book on their phones, Traveljoy's proposals are mobile optimized. Always preview on a phone before sending, keep paragraphs short, and make sure buttons are obvious. A great mobile experience translates to higher response and booking rates. Finally, centralize your records. Instead of juggling emails, files, and spreadsheets, use one place to track client status, store documents, review payment history, and see notes and communication. Less scattered information means less stress and faster service. Log quick notes after calls and tag key details so you can find them instantly when you need them. That's how Traveljoy helps you look professional, sell faster, delight clients, and manage everything in one streamlined workflow.